We'll talk about how can you select content maturity on your Roblox app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just don't click on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find, sorry, we'll go back until you will find settings. Click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on privacy and content uh, restrictions. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just switch into open with you. So then you click here on content maturity here. And here can you select your content maturity in this list if you want to add minimal or mild or moderate or restricted here. So here can you select when you swipe like this. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.